This is the assembly of our very popular patented Demount Bar. A lot of people buy these to use with other changers, but they do work best with a Demount tire changer. So in the box, you're going to get a pre-assembled Demount Bar like this. It's got a decal that says install handle here and an arrow. You're going to get a handle, the set screws pre-installed, an Allen key, an instruction sheet, tire lube paste, very popular, voted best tire lube by Motorcycle Consumer News a few years ago. You also get one spare demount tip for the single demount end, probably the only consumable on this bar, but very tough. And you also get a spray bottle and nozzle. So the first thing you want to do is to put the handle on the bar. The bar won't work right without it. Not an option. You gotta have it on there. Face the handle in the general direction of the arrow, and then cover up that decal. And you want to really tighten these screws because there's going to be a lot of force going through this handle into the bar. So pretty much as tight as you can get that. And you want the angle of this almost horizontal. You want your hand to be able to grip the handle and just clear the tire. If this is up on an angle, or over here, or over here, or over here, it's not going to work. The handle and its location is designed to counter any twist that you're going to have pulling this bar around. And I assure you, this is the best position for the handle. So next you have the tire lube paste. The tire lube paste has instructions on mixing. So the way this is used, the paste is applied directly to the tire for mounting, and for removal, we'll dilute some of it in the spray bottle to jet down into the crack between the tire and the rim. And the mixing instructions are on the paste, but so you know, 2 tablespoons in a mug of water, your coffee cup, warm it up in a microwave, stir it up, pour it in your bottle, and you're good to go on that. You should be able to change 40 or 50 tires on a pint. We do have it in 7-pound containers as well. There's an instruction sheet, shows basics on how to use no bar, as well as assembly. You do want to see all of our videos online to see exactly how this tool is supposed to work. Make sure you're watching an official Nomar video. They'll have our logo on the video. Now, there may be other tools that you need besides this for certain tires, such as our patented spoon bars, which were originally designed for the Honda Goldwing GL1800, used only for installation on that rear tire. They're also helpful for getting the first portion of certain tires over a rim, say a Harley wheel, steel, spoke, sharp edge. Using 2 of those will help get the tire put on, as well as a lot of hard dual sport tires. Some of the BMW GS's, say a Heidenau K60, they're very helpful using the spoon bars. Also, a yellow thinning tool. A lot of people get these, very helpful on street tires, getting the wheel chock so it doesn't creep around. So check out our accessories. We have videos on how all this stuff works. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your tire machine.